Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check your drive health of your laptop computer or desktop computer. If you want to check the SSD health, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. You have to download this free software called Hardware Info. I'm going to put a link in the description. When you install it, you open it and make sure you select sensors only. Click on start and wait for it. When it's open, you're going to see a bunch of sensors of your system. You have to scroll all the way down and look for your SSD. As you can see right here, I have a Samsung NVMe SSD. At the bottom, you're going to see drive remaining life, which is at 92%. This is the health of my SSD. So that's how you check your SSD drive health. That's all for this video.